version of this that I do like this, which is, so the right hand is doing the 2-petal underhand in the inspin. Front, over the top to the back, across the bottom to the front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back, across the bottom front, over the top to the back. So for this one, you'd be like this. Your right hand is behind you in underhand. Your left hand, actually here, let's turn this way so you can see me. Your right hand is behind in underhand. Your left hand is in front in overhand. Then you're gonna bring your left one up in antispin and your right one down in inspin. And then when you get to here, your left goes down in antispin while the right goes up in inspin. So the left goes up in antispin, right goes down in inspin, left goes down in inspin, right goes up in antispin. I said that wrong. Left is always antispin, right is always inspin. And one goes up while the other one goes down. And once you get it going from the front to the back, then you can try doing one time around.